In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the T4 framework. This is a blank canvas, which means that it's just a template. You can be able to customize and tweak and do a whole lot of incredible and amazing things with it. I've used it on several projects and I absolutely just love it because it gives you a lot of flexibility. So let's take a look now at the back end. When you install it, this is the quick start, meaning that it came with the images, came with pretty much the core basis of things that you're going to need, and it allows you to change it to replace it with your own. So now when you log in, you get this update message. So the first thing that you got to do is to make sure that your extensions are up to date. So let's click view updates, and it's asking you for an update here. So we're just going to click on this checkbox, and then you want to click to update. Now, if you get this message, I'm assuming that this sometimes happens when you may have to just download the template itself from their website, which is no big deal at this point. So if you get something like this, don't panic too much. We can, that's something you can always do later on, to just download it from their site, and then you can just install like a normal template here. So since we've gotten this part here, let's go over to extensions. You want to go to templates. And when you get to the template section, you notice that you have quite a few of them. And as I've mentioned before, when it comes to framework, the reason why you have so many different ones here is the same framework, but what the developers have done it, they're giving you different variations of what you can use. So it gives you different styling as you see on the front end here. So you can be able to pick and choose whichever one that you want to go with. So right now by default, this one is the T4, the blank, and it's shown that it's on all pages. So let's just click on this. So now this is loaded, and you can see at a glance, you can actually see the changes that you're making when you edit it, which is really helpful because as you're building your site, one of the major improvements that Joomla has made within the past few releases is the ability for the front end editing, which when I started, they didn't have that back then. So what that means is you can be able to see what you're editing, and you can understand a little better how things look, where to move things. So that really helps with placement. And so right now here, this is just the overview. You can change the template name to whatever you want to call it. It won't affect the site. And this is the little thumbnail that you're seeing here. And you see the download. So if you wanted to download it or wanted to get more updates, you click on this download. And you have to download here. Remember when you had that error message? So if you wanted to upload that template, you just come and you click here to download this template, but you have to first log in or create an account, which is free. And then you can be able to download that template and then just upload it. So it's an assignment for you. Create a free account here, just download it, and you go, I'll show you where to upload it once you've downloaded the template. So once you've got the template downloaded, you go to menu, extensions, and you go to install. So when you get this, and now if you get this message, because this is a new installation, you're going to see something like this. So you just click add install from web tab. So now this has been successfully installed, and you can pretty much install anything from the back end. So you go to upload file, and the file that you download from the website, this is where you can drag and drop it, or you can browse, and it's going to update it for you. So now let's go back here to the framework and go back to extensions and go to templates. So that's how you install it.